Hello everyone, welcome to Blockchain Glossary course. So in this course, I'm going to talk about all the terms related to blockchain you might be hearing on different websites, articles, news, media about the blockchain. So whenever somebody is actually reading a project, reading an article, or actually going for a project or working on a product in the company, right, they actually hear a lot of terms in blockchain. So what are those terms and how those terms can actually help you understanding the blockchain concept better? We're going to go through all these terms quickly. So this in this course, I'm going to explain each and every term in a very short and a simple manner, which will be related and to every general blockchain concept. So I'm not going to focus on a particular industry. I'm going to focus on the technology itself while answering these terms. So in this lecture we are going to go through the overview of the course, and we'll see what are the terms we are going to learn. So this is me, your trainer. I'm a technologist, serial entrepreneur, coder, IIT Bombay alumnus, founded Records Keeper, a blockchain-based record keeping solution. I earlier founded a company called Vigilant, also known as AppVigil, which was in the mobile application security scanning on cloud. I'm passionate about mobile security. I'm passionate about new technologies. I'm also the part of the Forbes India 30 under 30 list in 2016 in technology space. Below are my coordinates. If you have any questions or query, you can ask directly, or you can ask the questions in the platform itself. So the questions are, or the terms which are going to learn is, first is the blockchain, Bitcoin. So what are these two and how they are related? Then we'll talk about the mining, miner, and Genesis block. We'll talk about what exactly mining means. When we say somebody is mining a blockchain, somebody is mining a Bitcoin, somebody is mining Ethereum, what are they exactly mean? Then we'll talk about the difficulty, which is also known as the mining difficulty. Then we'll talk about reward. Then we'll talk about consensus algorithm. Then we'll talk about centralized, decentralized, and peer-to-peer network and how they three are different. Then we'll talk about Ethereum, smart contracts, solidity. Then we'll talk about hard fork, ledger, decentralized, public and private ledger. Then we'll talk about multi-chain, hashes, Merkle tree and the Merkle root. Then we'll talk about signing a transaction and hash rate. So what exactly signing a transaction mean? Then we'll talk about 51% attack, which is known as the most common blockchain attack. Then we'll talk about the Eclipse attack. Then we'll talk about Ether, Gas, Blockchain Explorer. Then also we'll see what is private and public key cryptography in a very short article or short slide. We'll not jump into very deep because that's a very vast topic. But we'll explain you a brief, and so that you can understand when communicating with someone related to blockchain. Then we'll talk about the PKI infrastructure. Then we'll talk about the transaction confirmation and what's next, and how you can go ahead and what next you should learn in the entire course, or in the series of courses which you're going to attend to understand the blockchain better or build the applications. So this course is for anyone who is interested in the blockchain. If you are a professor, student, employee, entrepreneur, investor, and want to understand the few jargons people use while talking about the blockchain, then I think this course will be the right course for you, and you will understand everything in a very quick short note. It's a it will be a very fast course where you will not be wasting much of your time, but you will be learning everything which you will be using for the rest of your life, forever. Thank you.